Yo, what is up everybody and welcome back to my channel. Yo, we are super hyped. We are here for the world premiere. The queens are back in the area. Let us go, Blackpink. How you like that world premiere? Let us go, folks. I am so hyped. Oh, there it is. There's the boss music. Let's go.
BLACKPINK in your area.
Yes. Oh, yo. Oh, Jisoo, damn, the girl's looking good. Oh, yes, Rose slay. Rose slay. Oh, the cut. Oh. Damn! What the? Oh! Damn! This slaps! Oh, damn! Jenny Slay! Lisa Slay! Oh. Damn! This song is bananas! Oh, okay. Dance break, let's go! Oh, did she say boss, bitch? Oh. Oh, 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 oh. Yo, was that it? Was that it? That was it? Hello? Excuse me? That was way too short. Wait a minute. No, that's not it. There's no way that could be. What? That was it? Yo, that music video was too short. Come back. Oh my god, everybody. This song was just absolutely bananas. Hello. Yo, I'm gonna go listen to that again, dude. That was absolutely bananas. Blackpink absolutely slayed it, but that song was way too short. That was nuts. Tell me what you think down in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Love y'all faces. Peace out.